Welcome to ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to unblock number in this device. So first we should open the phone application and then tap to the three dots on the right down corner. Then click here to check out the intercepted phone. Click here to the settings icon and then click here to numbers in blacklist. So now we have here to these numbers. If you want to remove one from these numbers, just click here and tap to remove from blacklist. After that, confirm your action by click here to the new remove the blacklist number from blacklist. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.